Making the hot and sour soup. Got the pot hot. Used sesame chili oil, a little bit of olive oil. Sauteed the veg real fast. Sea salt, fresh cracked pepper. Yes, I know I'm using soy sauce, but we're building flavor here. So salt your veggies. Saute them real quick, 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want mush, you still want the texture in the vegetables. So then I added the stock. Added my soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons, but I went back in, so call it a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and I added a tad more of the sesame chili oil because I thought it could use a little bit more heat to my liking. So now I am gently getting this up to a simmer, not a boil, and I'm going to add the cornstarch slurry to thicken it all up. Then I'm going to add the tofu in there so it doesn't break apart, and done. Hot and sour soup. I have some brown rice noodles, so I may 111 on that timer. I may cook that and then pour this over and kind of make like a faux a faux ramen bowl. If I'm going that far, maybe I should add an egg too. Like I said, the kitchen is your playground. Get in there and have fun. Experiment. Recipes are just like little guidelines, little roadmaps. You could take a little detour and put what you want in there, because traditionally this doesn't have ginger. I added ginger because, you know, food is medicine. There's functions for these ingredients. 143 on that timer. And I added garlic, and it didn't have bamboo shoots, but I did have celery. So we added the crunch that way. It's just a guideline, man. Get in there and have some fun, because I sure as hell am having fun. I hope I'm inspiring someone out there to get in the kitchen and cook. We're gonna get the pot hot. Usually I use plain toasted sesame oil, but since I have sesame chili oil and we are making hot and sour soup, why not? And a little olive oil. In here, got the mushrooms, the celery, the carrots, the garlic. I added a little bit of ginger. Into the kit. I'm gonna cook this down 5-7 minutes. Don't want mush, still want the crunch of the veggies. Everything's all about texture here. We have teeth, we're not babies, remember. Seasoning with salt and pepper. I know I'm gonna go in here with soy sauce later, but still, we're building flavors, layers of flavor. So I salted my veg here. I'm gonna saute this. Add the stock, add the tofu.